Hi everyone. Have you ever messed up your documents or disrupted a process in your computer, especially a critical one, just because you or somebody else accidentally pressed some keys on your keyboard? If you have, and if you've been wondering if there is any way to temporarily lock your keyboard, then you've come to the right place. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how to do just that in various Windows versions, from Windows 7 to Windows 11. Alright, let's start from Windows 11. Open Windows Settings, and then click Accessibility. On the Accessibility settings, click Keyboard. On the Keyboard settings, turn on Filter Keys, and then click the right arrow button to show its settings. On the Filter Keys settings, you need to turn on the Slow Keys and Repeat Keys options and leave the Bounce Keys off. You will also need to set the Slow Keys and Bounce Keys wait times to their maximum values. And lastly, you might also want to make sure that the keyboard shortcut for Filter Keys remains enabled, so that next time you can just press the right Shift key for 8 seconds to lock and unlock it. Alright, now let's test it on Notepad. As you can see here, my keyboard is completely locked, and there's a beeping sound for every key press I make. To unlock the keyboard, you can either go back to the keyboard settings and turn off the filter keys from there, or use the shortcut key. Now let's try using the shortcut key to lock and unlock the keyboard. To lock the keyboard, press the right Shift key for 8 seconds until you hear a beeping sound and the Filter Keys dialog pops up. Then click Yes on the dialog. To unlock the keyboard, press the right Shift key again for 8 seconds until you hear a beeping sound. Alright, that's how you can lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows 11. Now if you're on Windows 10, the steps are basically the same, except that the location of the Filter Key settings is slightly different. So open Windows Settings, and then click Ease of Access. On the Ease of Access settings, scroll down and look for Keyboard under Interaction. On the Keyboard settings, turn on the Filter Keys, make sure these 3 settings remain enabled, and then turn on the Slow Keys and Repeat Keys. After that, set the Slow Keys and the Repeat Keys wait times to their maximum values. Alright, once you configure the Filter Keys, you can use the right Shift key to lock and unlock your keyboard, just like in Windows 11. And lastly, if you're on Windows 7, click the Windows Start menu button, type Filter Keys, and then click Ignore Repeated Keystrokes using Filter Keys. On the Filter Keys settings, turn on Filter Keys and make sure the keyboard shortcut settings remain enabled. Then turn on Repeat Keys and Slow Keys, and then click Apply. Now click Set up Repeat Keys and Slow Keys. Set the Slow Keys wait time to 20 seconds. Ignore all repeated keystrokes, and then click Apply. Click OK twice, and then close the control panel. Okay, that's all you need to set up. Alright, so that's how easy it is to lock and unlock your keyboard on Windows. I hope you find this tutorial useful, and thank you for watching.